All right. Now, I got a couple of things that's going on. Let me get straight to it. So, I'm gonna need new fuel injectors, man. I was pouring out a couple of I was pouring out some fuel from one of these fuel injectors, little spots. I guess the bushing in there was bad, so I had to go to the store, bought some temporary ones until I get brand new fuel injectors for that. Might also just buy new coil packs, just for shits and giggles, honestly. I did finally replace the goddamn EGR, man. I got that fixed. I'm still trying to figure out where this code, this P0401 and P0155. I replaced all my O2 sensors, and what else? I'm still getting that issue. It might be honestly just a bad wire, so I might have to get a new extension wire, maybe something. I gotta figure that part out. Also, when that new clutch was installed from my buddy's mechanic, I'm getting a nice chirping noise. Hopefully I got a video of it. I'll probably show you guys what's going on there. And then also, I got an exhaust leak right down there. I think it might be honestly right at the headers, like literally like right where they start. I'm gonna take a look at that. But I wanted to give y'all an example of what the noise is that I'm getting when I'm just sitting there. Because I thought it was, every time I kept working on the car or doing something and telling anyone, everybody just kept saying that chirping noise when you press in the clutch. It's your throw out bearing or whatever. And I kept telling them that's brand new. I put it in with the brand new clutch. Long story short, I finally figured out what the noise was, and it's this fork. I didn't replace the fork, and I kind of regret not placing it, so I might have to replace it, honestly, and see what is going on. Let me let you guys know what hear the sound. So when I'm just sitting on idle and the clutch is not actually like, there's no tension on it, it's just making this noise right here. Now, when I am like slightly pressed in, it doesn't make the noise goes away, and I don't have that problem. I tried spraying it with some lube, where is it at? Oh, I got rust in my eyes. I tried to spray with the white lithium grease. Just get the little back spot over there. A couple of people told me to do that, so all this stuff back here is not really breathable. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna take a look at that, see what's going on with this noise, see if I can kind of get it to work its way in. Hopefully when one of my cousins come, I can try and get them to just press in the clutch and see if they can get rid of that shaker for me. Just press it in so I can kind of get a better angle at that fork. If not, then I might just get some pliers, or not pliers, a pry bar jacket, and then take this cable off real quick and just kind of adjust it. But that's that. And then my headers, I'm probably not gonna be able to show you guys, but I'll get another video of what's going on with that and that noise, and then kind of give you guys the gist of that. So I'll keep y'all posted. And here's the notorious noise. That's what I was talking about. You press in, it doesn't make it. Let go, makes it. Hold it, doesn't make it. There's just too much play on it. And I think that's just what's causing my problem. And then I'm pretty sure. Shit! Goddamn, I'm out of there. What? Ooh. Okay. That almost burnt down. Damn, burnt my hand off. Oh, whew. But yeah, now you guys kind of get the gist of the noise that I'm trying to say it's making. Because when I do that, it comes back. Tension, no tension. A little bit of tension goes away. And then here's the other noise. There's that little chirp. Back, a little rattle. Oh, you take some time to let that engine cool down and see what's going on with all that stuff. Yeah, I guess I figured out what the problem was, and honestly, I'm thinking it just makes best sense for me to get that replaced, to be quite honest with you, and then also try and figure out what that noise is. I need another person for this part to kind of try and see if that noise is coming from down in the housing down there, like right under, like it's coming from somewhere over here. Like if I can pinpoint the noise, it's coming from like right here, man, right in this pocket. I thought it was this, the little freaking whatever valve. I thought I had something loose. I seen a video where a guy said that his there was air or something kind of getting out of the spark plugs. I guess the spark plugs were damaged or something, and there was air kind of leaving, like the pressure was kind of escaping. I don't have a vacuum leak. I've looked for that. You know, it's kind of just looking for where the problem is before I really have to try and take out parts and places. I had this whole thing. I had the whole valve cover taken off. I looked at lifters, everything. They all look fine. I mean, I might have to take them off and just redo a recrank again and just see what's going on. Some people told me that it might be something with my timing chain. Looked at everything there, and that felt fine. The tension on that was fine. I didn't feel anything. Another group of people said that the pulleys were fine. I mean, this bearing, I think it's the whatever that free bearing is right there. I forget what it's called. I'm not really. My mind isn't really focused on what's going on there. I know there is rubber there, but I digress on that bull. I'm just trying to figure out where that noise is coming from. Honestly, because like when this car had gotten changed, I couldn't find the noise. But I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna do some more intensive looking and see what's going on, so I can see if I can find it, man. And like I said, once again, I'll keep y'all posted. I'll keep you up on update. All right, boom.